Ciao a tutti, sei sul canale Nata. Hello my friends, how do I speak Italian? I hope everything is correct. And so today we again go to Italy, the city of Genoa. This is the second video from this interesting city. You can also watch the first video. I will leave a link to the video in the description for this video. Today we continue to explore the city of Genoa. We walk the streets, there are many shops of famous brands. On the streets, this is Italy, the fashion industry. Visit a market with the local products. Of course, there will be local attraction in this video. You can feel the Italian flavor. Come with me for a walk around the city. After watching this video, be sure to check the subscription to my channel. We can travel together on my channel. Every week a new video trip on my channel. Press the bell and now you won't miss new video.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. Can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board.
Ciao Vinicio.
Thanks who watched this video to the end. Write a comment as you like Italy. Would you like to visit this city? I'm waiting for your comments. See you next week on my channel in the Travel Portal project. I say goodbye, guys. Bye bye.